Hey, it's Art here. In this brief video, I'd like to give you a tour of the Digital Welcome Kit. Okay, so here we are on the home page of the demo site. The first thing to notice is that your logo will be on the header of every page, and it will be on all downloadable materials including forms, handouts, and recipes. As far as I know, we are the only web development team to provide both digital branding and physical document branding at this deep of a level. Up at the top navigation bar, you'll see the categories. We also duplicate these category tabs with buttons below the header image. This ensures that your visitors know exactly how to get where they want to go to get what they want to get, whether they're on desktop, tablet, or mobile. Finally, in the middle of the header graphic is a call to action button. We can convert this button into a guest pass, a discovery call invitation, or an email opt-in. You tell us how you want it to function. Now, let's go visit the Forms Summary page. On this page, you'll see we've pre-built several different forms, most of which you're probably already familiar with. But in the Forms tutorial video, we'll deep dive into how these forms function, how they're delivered as PDF files, how they'll save you a ton of time, and how they can serve as a qualifier for new prospects and potential clients. Okay, moving on. This next section of content is the grouping of informational handouts. Since we started tracking, we found this is an incredibly popular area among existing clients and prospects. They simply click on the button and up pops your branded PDF download. If you want to see them all in action, just go to digitalwelcomekit.com, click on the buttons, they're all functional, and remember, all PDFs will come branded with your logo. Now, at the Shakes page, we're talking about real, super simple, actionable content. Here are over 30 recipes for delicious and easy to make smoothies and protein shakes. Here again, it's as simple as clicking or tapping on a link and up pops the recipe, complete with macros and, of course, your logo in the header. For digital content marketing, shakes and smoothies make great lead magnets for your email and social media campaigns. And the same goes for recipes. Here again is actionable content that will bring clients and prospects back to your website over and over again. Check out the growing list of recipes where, once again, a simple click or tap instantly brings up a recipe with detailed instructions, macros per serving, and of course, your logo in the header. Here too, the recipes are great lead magnets for your email and social media. And finally, the News tab is an active blog that we write and update each month with a new post and accompanying images. These topics are perfect for posting on Facebook and other social media platforms as a way to attract new clients directly to your website. And that's what content marketing is all about.